Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Snack English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
I am Adam.
And I am Sarah.
How are you today, Sarah?
I am very good, Adam. I am very relaxed today.
You are very relaxed. That is wonderful.
Yes, I am sitting in my house. It is a nice day.
A nice day in your house. I am in my apartment.
You are in your apartment.
Yes. Today, we will talk about our homes.
Our homes, where we live and sleep.
Yes. We will describe our rooms.
I love this topic.
Me too. Let's start with the building.
The building. Okay. Do you live in a big house, Adam?
No, I do not live in a big house.
You do not live in a big house. Where do you live?
I live in a small apartment.
A small apartment. Is it in the city?
Yes, it is in the big city.
Is it a noisy street?
Yes, the street is very noisy. I hear many cars.
Many cars. Beep, beep. A noisy street.
Yes, it is noisy outside, but it is quiet inside.
Quiet inside. That is good.
Yes. What about your home, Sarah?
I live in a small house.
A small house. Do you have a noisy street?
No, my street is very quiet.
A very quiet street. Do you hear cars?
No, I hear birds. I have a small garden.
A small garden with birds. That is very peaceful.
Yes, it is. I love my quiet house.
Okay, let's go inside. Let's open the front door in my small apartment.
Okay, let's open the front door. We are inside now.
The first room is the living room.
The living room. The room for sitting and relaxing.
Yes, my living room is very small.
A very small living room. Do you have a window?
Yes, it is a very big window.
A big window. Does a lot of light come in?
Yes, the sun comes in. It is very bright.
Ah, a bright room is beautiful. My living room has 2 windows.
Wow, 2 windows. That is a lot of light.
Yes. Now let's talk about the furniture.
The furniture, chairs and tables.
Yes. Do you have a sofa in your living room?
Yes, I have a sofa.
Is it a big sofa or a small sofa?
It is a small sofa. Only 2 people can sit on it.
A small sofa for 2 people. What color is it?
It is a gray sofa, a dark gray sofa.
Gray is a nice color. It is very calm.
Yes, I sit on my gray sofa and I watch TV.
Do you have a big TV?
Yes, I have a big black TV on the wall.
Wow, a big TV on the wall. That is great for movies.
What about your living room, Sarah? Do you have a sofa?
Yes, I have a big sofa.
A big sofa. 3 people can sit on it?
Yes, 3 or 4 people. It is very big.
What color is your big sofa?
It is a red sofa. A very bright red sofa.
A red sofa. That is a very happy color.
Yes, I love red. I sit on my red sofa and read books.
You read books. You do not watch TV?
I have a small TV, but I prefer books.
Okay, Sarah. Now I have a question for you.
A question for me. What is it?
Is your living room clean or messy?
Clean or messy? Oh, that is a hard question.
Is it clean?
Sometimes it is clean, but today it is messy.
It is messy today. Why is it messy?
I have many books on the table and a cup of tea on the floor.
Books on the table and a cup on the floor. That is messy.
Yes, I need to clean my living room today.
My living room is never messy.
Wow, never messy. It is always clean?
Yes, it is always very clean. I clean every morning.
You clean every morning. You are a very clean person.
Yes, I do not like a messy room. I like a clean room.
A clean, small living room.
Exactly. Now, let's walk to the next room.
The next room. Let's go to the kitchen.
Oh, the kitchen, the room for food and cooking.
Yes, I love the kitchen. Is your kitchen big, Adam?
No, my kitchen is very, very small.
A very small kitchen. Can two people cook in it?
No, only one person can stand in my kitchen.
Wow, that is very small. Do you have a fridge?
Yes, I have a small fridge.
A small fridge. What color is the fridge?
It is a white fridge, a small white fridge.
Do you have a table in the kitchen?
Yes, I have a very small round table.
A round table. How many chairs do you have?
I have 2 chairs, 2 black chairs.
2 black chairs. You sit there and eat.
Yes, I sit at my small table and eat my breakfast. What about your kitchen, Sarah? Is it small?
My kitchen is big. I have a big kitchen.
A big kitchen. You have a lot of space.
Yes, 2 or 3 people can cook in my kitchen.
That is great for a family. Do you have a big fridge?
Yes, I have a very big fridge. It is tall.
A tall fridge. What color is it?
It is silver. A shiny silver fridge.
A shiny silver fridge. That looks very modern.
Yes, it is. And I have a big square table.
A square table. How many chairs do you have?
I have 4 chairs. 4 wooden chairs.
4 wooden chairs. You sit and eat with your family.
Yes, we eat dinner at the big square table.
Is your kitchen clean or messy, Sarah?
My kitchen is very clean. I always wash the plates.
That is very good.
Yes, I do not like dirty plates.
Okay, Sarah, let's leave the kitchen. Let's go to the bedroom.
The bedroom, the room for sleeping.
Yes, the bedroom must be a quiet room.
Is your bedroom quiet, Adam?
Yes, my bedroom is very quiet. I sleep very well.
You sleep very well. Do you have a big bed?
No, I live in a small apartment. Everything is small.
Everything is small, so you have a small bed.
Yes, I have a small bed for one person.
What color is your bed, Adam?
My bed is blue. I have blue pillows and a blue blanket.
A blue bed, blue pillows, and a blue blanket.
Yes, blue makes me feel calm.
Blue is a very calm color. Do you have a closet?
Yes, I have a closet for my clothes.
A closet for clothes. Is it a big closet?
No, it is a small closet. I do not have many clothes, just shirts and pants. My bedroom is very simple.
A simple, quiet blue bedroom. I like it.
Thank you. What about your bedroom, Sarah?
My bedroom is big.
A big bedroom. Do you have a small bed?
No, I have a big bed. A very big, soft bed.
A big, soft bed. You must sleep very well.
I sleep like a baby.
What color is your big bed?
My bed is yellow. I have yellow pillows and a white blanket.
A yellow bed with a white blanket. That is very bright.
Yes, it looks like the sun. I love waking up in it.
Do you have a closet in your big bedroom?
Yes, I have a very big closet.
A very big closet. Do you have many clothes?
Yes, I have many, many clothes. I love dresses and sweaters.
Many dresses and many sweaters. Is your bedroom clean or messy?
Oh, Adam, you always ask this question.
Is the yellow bedroom clean or messy?
Sometimes I leave clothes on the bed, so it is a little messy.
Clothes on the bed. Yes, that is a little messy.
but I clean it on the weekend.
Okay, that is good. Now we have one more room.
One more room. The bathroom.
The bathroom, the room for washing.
Yes. Do you have a shower or a bathtub, Adam?
I have a shower, just a small shower.
A small shower. You stand up and wash.
Yes, I stand up and wash with warm water.
Do you have a mirror in the bathroom?
Yes, I have a mirror on the wall. I look in the mirror every morning.
You look in the mirror and brush your teeth.
Exactly. My bathroom is white and very clean.
A white, clean bathroom. What about towels?
I have white towels. Everything is white.
White towels. My bathroom is different.
Your bathroom is different. Do you have a shower?
I have a shower, but I also have a bathtub.
A bathtub. You can sit in the hot water, or maybe you can sleep.
Yes, I sit in the hot water and relax. It is wonderful.
What color are your towels, Sarah?
I have pink towels, bright pink towels.
Pink towels. You like bright colors in your house.
Yes, I do. Red sofa, yellow bed, pink towels.
My apartment is very different. Gray sofa, blue bed, white towels.
Yes, we are very different people, but both homes are beautiful.
Yes, they are. Your home is where you are happy.
That is true. Now, Adam, do we have time for a game?
Yes, we always have time for a game.
I love our games. Let's play the guessing game.
The guessing game. I will describe something in the house.
You will describe furniture or a room.
Yes, I will use simple words. You must guess what it is.
I will guess, and our listeners will guess too.
Yes, listeners, play with us. Round 1.
I am ready.
This is a piece of furniture.
Furniture, okay?
It is in the living room.
In the living room.
It is soft. You sit on it.
It is soft. I sit on it.
Yes, you sit on it and you watch the big TV. What is it?
I sit on it in the living room. It is a sofa.
A sofa. Yes, you are correct. 1 point for Sarah.
Yay! A sofa. Next round, please.
Round 2. This is in the kitchen.
In the kitchen, okay?
It is very tall. It has a door.
Tall with a door.
Yes, you open the door. It is very cold inside.
Very cold inside.
You put cold milk and red apples inside. What is it?
Cold inside for milk and apples. It is a fridge.
A fridge. Yes, you are right again. 2 points.
I am very good at this. Give me a hard one.
Okay, round 3. This is a room.
A room, not furniture, a room.
Yes, a room. You go to this room at night.
At night, okay?
It is very quiet. It has a big closet.
Quiet with a closet.
You close your eyes in this room. You sleep here. Which room is it?
I close my eyes and sleep. It is the bedroom.
The bedroom. Yes, 3 points for Sarah.
Wow, the bedroom. Okay, one more round, Adam.
Round 4, the last round. This is in the bathroom.
In the bathroom. Okay.
It is on the wall.
On the wall?
It is made of glass.
Made of glass.
You stand in front of it. You look at it. You see your own face. What is it?
Made of glass, I see my face. It is a mirror.
A mirror. Yes, you got all 4 correct. You win.
Yay! I win the game! That was very fun.
It was fun. It's great practice for house words.
Yes, we learned a lot today, Adam.
We learned about the living room, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom.
We learned about big houses and small apartments.
We talked about clean rooms and messy rooms.
I love my messy, colorful house.
And I love my clean, quiet, small apartment.
Both are great. Now we want to hear from our listeners.
Yes, we have a question for you, our Snack English family.
Tell us about your home.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
Tell us in the comments below. Write, I live in a...
And tell us, is your room clean or messy today?
Be honest. Clean or messy?
Please write your answers in the comments. We want to read them.
If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button.
Give us a big thumbs up. It helps us a lot.
And don't forget to subscribe to Snack English.
We will make more fun, easy videos for you.
Thank you for joining us in our homes today.
Stay happy, stay clean, and keep practicing.
See you next time. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.